If you're looking for the easiest way to make money online because you don't know how to do crap, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 digital product ideas that you can use to make over $4,000 every single week, just like I am right now. Plus, I'm going to show you how to sell them using email and YouTube marketing to create your own online business. So let's dive in. So the first digital product idea is the best because if you're just like how I was in the beginning, you're not tech savvy, you don't know how to use Canva that well, you don't know about graphics and fonts and colors and all that good stuff, I highly recommend that you start off with something called PLR digital products. PLR means private label rights, and it basically means that somebody else already created the product for you, and when you purchase it, you purchase the rights to resell it as your own product, and you keep 100% of the profits. Now, the best thing besides the 100% profits of selling digital PLR digital products is if you purchase the right ones, you're going to take away all the guesswork of creating a digital product from scratch, because PLR digital products are products that are already ready-made and profit-ready, which means they're already making money, so you're just going to be taking your piece of the pie of what's already working. But the best PLR digital products to sell are info products, and for the first one I'm going to show you is called eBooks. Now, a few weeks ago, I put out a video telling you how I made $27,000 selling a $29 ebook. If you want to learn more about that video, it should be popping up on your screen right now. But just to recap, I'll talk about what I wish I had knew when I first started so I could sell my ebook faster. And what I did, I put all the information that helped me become successful with my ebook into that video and created a digital product that you can purchase the PLR rights to and resell it as your own. To sweeten the deal, I didn't even charge $29 for this ebook. I made it a special price of only $17. And everybody who purchased it got PLR rights. They didn't have to create the ebook from scratch and were able to capitalize on my success while making 100% of the profits. And that's the power of PLR digital products. Someone else does all the work for you, gets all the success, and proves that this product is actually selling, and you can purchase the rights to it and start reselling it as your own and collect 100% of the profits. Plus, ebooks just sell because everybody is always wanting to learn how to do something, and they can get all the information inside of that ebook without having to pay hundreds of dollars for a full course. Now, if you want to take advantage of how I made $27,000 selling a $29 ebook, you're going to find the link down below this video in the comments and in the YouTube description. Moving on, while we're talking about ebooks, another PLR digital product that is actually crushing it online and getting a lot of sales and helping a lot of newbies who can't create a digital product from scratch but still want to make money online is a digital product called Threads. Now, Threads is a new app built by Facebook and Instagram. The cool thing about Threads is kind of like Twitter, which means it's mainly text-based. But users can still upload photos and videos as well. But Threads is gaining popularity because a lot of the users say there's high engagement over there, which means that you can create a post and it's going to go out to your target audience and people are going to be able to like and engage. And also, if you're selling a product, you can make a lot of money on this platform. Now, the digital product that you can capitalize to make money off this platform is called Threads Unleashed. And the creator of this digital product has made almost $20,000 selling it on the Threads platform. But the cool thing is he gives you PLR rights to his digital product called Threads Unleashed, to where you can purchase it and resell it as your own and collect 100% of the profits, as well as use the information inside the digital product to capitalize on the Threads platform itself. He teaches you how to grow your following. He teaches you the right posts and how to post, even when to post on the Threads platform, so that you can grow your Threads account to thousands of followers while making money in the process. Again, this is a PLR digital product, which means you don't have to create it. And if you would like to use Threads Unleashed, that way you can go faceless on your social media account without creating videos because it's all text-based, I'm going to leave the link to this PLR digital product in the comment sections and also in the YouTube description of this video. Now, if ebooks aren't your thing and you really want to create something of your own, but you still don't want to create it from scratch, then this next PLR digital product is for you. The next best thing besides PLR digital products are templates, which is still cool because you still don't have to create your digital product entirely from scratch. You have something to start with that you can tweak and put your own unique spin on. And the best way to do this is using CANVA templates. What if I told you that you could get access to over 200 plus digital products with over 7,500 different pages that are templates that you can use to create any and almost every digital product that you can imagine. And to top it off, you would still get resale rights to this digital product where you could sell all these templates yourself and collect 100% of the profits. Well, then that's why you want to check out these 200 plus CANVA templates. You can use these templates to create anything from journals to planners to checklists to ebooks to almost anything else that your mind can imagine. So if you're the person who does want to create their own digital product without starting from scratch, then this is the perfect digital product for you. Me, as well as my students, have used this same 200 plus CANVA templates to not only create our own digital products, but we also resell it to others who are trying to do the same, but without starting from scratch, and we're making hundreds and even thousands of dollars every single week. Now, if you like to take advantage of this as well, this link as well as all the others I'm mentioning in this video are going to be in the comment section as well as the YouTube description of this video. Now, coming in at number 2 is a digital product called the First 1K Profit Funnel. So if you don't want to do ebooks and you don't want to use templates, then this is something that you really want to pay attention to, especially if you're looking to 10x your income. The First 1K Profit Funnel allows you to create a full $100 a day online business in just 15 minutes. This is a full course that you can actually go through yourself and learn this entire business. And when you're done, you can have your entire business set up and ready to take orders. But the cool thing about this is, even after you get the information that you learn, you can use that information to go and create any other business that you want, and or you can resell this same course to others and collect 100% of the profits. Why? Because it also comes with private label rights. In the First 1K Profit Funnel, you're going to get your own lead magnet that you can sell or give away for free in exchange for emails so that you can grow your own email list. You're going to get not one, but 2 courses that you can resell. It also comes with a full funnel from the landing page, the sales page, the order page, and the thank you page. And you won't have to build this funnel from scratch. It can all be imported into your free account in just one click. On top of that, while you're growing the emails, we're going to give you some email campaigns that you can use to send out to all your customers and or potential customers. And the entire process is going to be automated, which means it's going to work for you on autopilot 24/7. Now, courses are by far the best ways to make money if you're talking about digital products, because it's going to give your customers some information that they really need in video form that they can execute and start making money right now. But the number one thing I love about the First 1K Profit Funnel, it doesn't just generate income for you, but you're also going to create passive income, because when your customers sign up and purchase it and go through the entire course, you're going to be able to get recurring income that's going to be deposited into your account every single month for the lifetime of that customer. So if you want to take advantage of the First 1K Profit Funnel, down in the comment section of this video and in the YouTube description, you'll find a link to get started right now. Now, coming in at number 1 is my biggest treat for all. What if I told you that you can get access to all of these digital products for one great price? Sound good to be true? Well, it's not. I want to introduce you to the Digital Income Starter Kit. The Digital Income Starter Kit comes equipped with everything you need to get started selling digital products, and especially PLR digital products online. With the Digital Income Starter Kit, you'll be able to go from $0 to over $10,000 per month just by following the 7 steps that I include in this kit. On top of that, which you're also going to get PLR rights to, which means that you can sell it as your own and collect 100% of the profits, but you're also going to get access to all the digital products that I mentioned in this video. The Digital Income Starter Kit is also going to show you how to create passive income every single month so that you'll be able to get repeat sales from the same customer every single month without doing any extra work. I've used the Digital Income Starter Kit to make 4 and 5 figures every single month, and I'm also teaching my students how to do the same, and we're having great results. If you want to learn more information about the Digital Income Starter Kit, you can check out this video popping up on the screen where I break it all down and answer all of your questions. Now, as promised, I told you if you stuck around to the end of this video, not only will I list those 5 digital products that you can start selling right now that you don't even have to create from scratch, but I also told you I'd show you where and how to sell them. Now, I know you hear and see a lot of people online that say, hey, sell on Etsy, sell on Shopify, sell on whatever. But I'm here to tell you that the best way and the smartest way is to sell to your own audience. And I've been doing this since 2019. And the moment I learned that, I began to see a big sales increase in my online business. So if you're ready to take your digital product to the next level without having to depend on platforms like Etsy that charge you outrageous fees every single month, whether or not you make a sale, then you're going to want to watch this video popping up on your screen right now. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.